Hello and welcome back to Digital Dynamo Lab. In today's video, we are going to learn how to convert octal numbers to hexadecimal step by step. Instead of converting directly, we will use a simple and effective method. First, convert the octal number into binary and then convert that binary value into hexadecimal. By the end of this video, you will be able to convert any octal number to hexadecimal quickly and confidently. So let's get started. Let's convert the octal number 752 into hexadecimal. First we convert each octal digit into 3-bit binary. The digit 7 becomes 111. The digit 5 becomes 101 and the digit 2 becomes 010. Now we write the full binary number 111 101 010. To convert binary into hexadecimal, we group the bits in sets of 4 starting from the right. So 11110 1010 becomes 0001 1110 1010 after adding 3 zeros at the beginning. Now convert each 4-bit group into a hexadecimal digit. 0001 is 1, 1110 is E and 1010 is A. So the hexadecimal number we get is 1EA. Therefore, 752 in octal is equal to 1EA in hexadecimal. Thank you for watching.